Converting the image we just downloaded into SVG format. Firstly, what is SVG? Well, it stands for Scalable Vector Graphics. They can be scaled up or down without losing the image quality. And this cuts the image into multiple layers, which can then be 3D modeled in any software. For this conversion, I'm going to use Convert.io. This is not a sponsored video, this is just my personal preference. You can use any online converter you wish. Link of this website will be given in the resources of this video. I will import the image and convert it to SVG. Once done, you can download this design.